Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Difference between classism, new classism, and romanticism. Classism. Classism is aesthetic attitude and principle based on culture, art, and literature of ancient Greece and Rome, and characterized by emphasis of form, simplicity, proportion, and restrained emotion. Characteristic of classism are belief in reason, civilized, modern, sophisticated, interest in urban society, human nature, love, satire, expression of acceptance, moral truth, realism, belief in God and good and evil, a religion, philosophy, generic obstruction, impersonal objectivity, public theme, formal characteristics, idea of order. New classism. New classism was the trend prevailing during the late 18th and early 19th centuries, characterized by the introduction and widespread use of Greek order and decorative motifs, the subordination of detail to some strongly geometric overall composition, the presence of light, color, or shade, frequent shallowness of relief in ornamental treatment of fate and the absence of textural effect. The period of New Classicism relies heavily on mimicking Greek art. During the time period, the concept of naturalism was a main concern. Artists especially made great efforts to model the way in which the ancient portrayed bodies and emotion in their work of art. Romanticism. Romanticism emerged as a reaction against New Classicism. The New Classical age emphasized on reason and logics. The Romantic period wanted to break away from the tradition and convention that were there of the New Classical age and make way for individuality and experimentation. One of the fundamental romanticism is the belief in natural goodness of man, the idea that man in a state of nature would behave well, but it hindered by civilization. Characteristic of romanticism are belief in feeling, imagination, intuition, primitive, medieval, natural modes, rural solitude, aesthetic, spiritual value of external nature, love for vision, mysteriousness, idea, infinite, matchmaking, beauty, truth, faith in progress, belief in man and goodness, individual speculation, revelation, concrete particular subjectivity, private themes, individual expansiveness, intensity, curiosity, images, symbols, common language, self consciousness, romantic Hellenism. Difference between classicism and romanticism. Romanticism emerged as a response to classicism. Classicism is stressed on reason, romanticism on imagination. Classicism follow the three unities of time, place, and action. Romanticism only follow the unity of action but does not follow the unity of time, place. Romanticism uses simple diction of common men from their everyday life. Classicism uses strict, rigid, and logical diction and theme. Classicist thought of world as having a rigid and stern structure. The romanticist thought of world as a place to express their idea and belief. Classicism was based on the idea that nature and human nature could be understood by reason and thought. Classicists believed that nature was a self contained machine like a watch whose law of operation could be rationally understood. Romanticists viewed nature as mysterious and ever changing. Romantic rights believe that nature is an ever changing living organism whose law we will never fully understand. Classicists thought that it was literature's function to show the everyday values of humanity and the law of human existence. Their idea was the classicism upheld tradition often to the point of resisting change because tradition seemed a reliable testing ground for those laws. As for the Romantics, they wrote about how man has no boundaries and endless possibilities. The Romantics stressed the human potential for social progress and spiritual growth.